Welcome to my channel. My name is Marlena. Today's video, I'm going to spend a bit of time here in my living room and just get a few items cleaned. The first thing, as you can see, I'm going to be taking down my curtains here and washing them, and I have my husband helping me get those down. And next, while all the curtains are down, I'm just going to wash all of the windows and get them all nice and clean. And then I'm also going to mop the walls or wash the walls here behind where all the curtains are, since they're down and I have access to them. And then once that is all finished and I'm finished with the curtains and windows, I'm going to be cleaning out my container here, my pack and play that holds all of my kids' toys down here. I would like to apologize for my editing in this video. It does seem really choppy, and it is choppy. When I was going through all my footage, it was so dark because it was so bright outside and the angle I had my camera. So lesson learned, I really need to work on like my angles when it's so bright and things like that. So apologies for the choppiness of the editing here. But I'm also going to go ahead and start doing the walls, and I got this mop from Dollar Tree and some Fabuloso Complete from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna mix some of the Fabuloso into a bucket with warm water, and I'm only going to use this mop for my walls because it's just so, you know, little. If I were to use this on my floors, it would clean like half a floor because I have, you know, hardwood throughout. But anyways, I'm just going to use this mop on the walls, and I ended up having to get a little chip clip. That's what that blue thing is, because my mop was defective and the little thing that you use to squeegee wouldn't stay put. So that's what that little chip clip thing is. So what I'm doing is, I'm just getting it in the water with Fabuloso, wringing it out, and it's not like these walls have been drawn on or anything like that. They were just kind of dusty, so I did dust them before doing this. And I just want to basically wipe down the surfaces with the Fabuloso just to get it nice and like clean and smelling well and getting all the dust off the walls. And that's just basically what I'm going to be doing here. This project was a couple day project just because of life, so here it'll be the next day and I'll be working on the other side, and I'm just going to repeat the process. Here's some of the other curtains, starting them in the laundry, and I'll start with the windows and walls here in a second.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall, so why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me? think about you all the time.
Okay, so when my 2-year-old was a baby, we kept this pack and play down here just to, keep him in when he was playing, keep him safe, things like that. But now it has just turned into one giant toy storage area down here. A lot of their toys from upstairs make their way down here, and instead of going back upstairs, they just get put into this big playpen, and it's out of control. I usually do go through this once every other month or so and clean it out. I need to do it more often, so that's what we're going to do today. I am just going to dump it all out and then start going through and putting different toys together. A lot of these little pieces are Legos, plus blocks, and Mr. Potato Head parts, along with other things. I'm just talking about the little things. That's what a lot of those little tiny things are, as well as a bunch of trinket toys that they get from McDonald's or the Dollar Tree, things like that. So in this black basket, I'm going to be putting all the toys that need to go upstairs, and then I'm just going to go through and just sort all of these. And then once this is all done, we're going to clean up down here, and then we're going to follow this basket of toys upstairs, put all the toys away upstairs, and clean the upstairs play area.
You drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this back now and start putting some of the toys that we play with down here a lot, like the Legos and Lego accessories and some other toys that they really play with a lot down here, back. I kind of want to just get rid of it and just have all the toys go upstairs, but I'm just going to deal with it now and just keep, with this for now, and until I can come up with a better solution, which is probably just going to be getting rid of it. But yes, so I'll put some of these toys away down here for now. Then I need to clean up this mess of a room because it is crazy. And then, like I said, we're taking this big black basket of toys upstairs, putting them all away in the toy room, and cleaning the toy room.
Together, if I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive.
Okay, so we are up here now, and I am just going to start putting basically all these toys away in these little buckets, or the little stuffies go into another pack and play. That's like the stuffy pit that's in the corner. And that's what I'll just continue to do up here, organize, put these toys away. I'll have to get some of my Dollar Tree organizing bins up here in just a little bit to put some of their long toys and large action figures away. And then we'll just, you know, keep cleaning.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
Alright, so I am just going to spray down some of these larger play items and get them nice and dusted and, you know, just cleaned off. Um, then once I'm finished with that, I'm going to give it a nice vacuum and then we'll be done. This, video was a little crazy. Started off definitely a little crazy with my editing and lighting, and I apologize, but thank you so much for watching and sticking it out. As always, I really appreciate you watching. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Just call you